English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 3. Number 13. After three bells ringing together, they being a ring invert of 15, 20, and 25 minutes respectively. Number 1. After how many minutes will the bell ring together again? And number 2. If the bell first ring together at 1 p.m., at what time they will be ringing together again? They want to know how many time need to together again, ringing together again. That means if we 15, 20 and 25, LCM equal to divided by 5, 3, 4, 5. Then LCM equal to 5 into 3 into 4 into 5 equal to 300 minute. That means answer one equal to how many minutes will be the ring together again. That means how many minutes. That means the 300 minutes. After 300 minutes, the bells ringing together again. And number two is if the bells first ringing together at 1 p.m. at what time will they ringing together again? So if 60 minute equal to 1 hour, then 300 minute equal to 5 hours. If the first ringing at 1 p.m., then after 5 hours, 1, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. That means they will ringing together again at 6 p.m. Answer, together again 6 p.m. Thank you.